Welcome to another episode of That Crazy Triangle Guy. I've been trying to get a video out, just haven't had the time, and I don't know if I will this evening till maybe even tomorrow evening. We're looking at, but I wanted to get something out at least to stay in touch with you guys. And looking at Solana here on the daily time frame since May of 2020. And we got a few parallel channels drawn here. The big white one is the overall channel enclosing all of the price action since May of 2020. And we have another red channel and a blue channel. That's all we got for now. Probably want to get another one in there that's depicting this price action here. However, don't really need that right now. You know what? I'm wondering, looking at this, let's go on a weekly time frame. If we're probably even going to go outside this overall white channel here. We'll see. We'll see, because we might be able to do something like this. Let's clone this and bring it up here. Something like that. So, yeah. We may even break out up here further. But this is what I'm looking at right now. We'll worry about the future later on. That's way out there in the future. But it's just something to think about. Perhaps Solana up at, well, that would be almost a 8x. 8x from where it's at now. And a 15x here. I think we're going to have a triple top here. October, for the whole market. I'm looking at October, November 2024, April of 2025, and then again in November of 2025. But we'll just have to wait and see how the market goes between now and then. Currently, where we're at, though, let's just get rid of this one here because that's too much. There we go. We don't need all that right now. This is where we're at right now, and Solana's, we're on a weekly time frame, so let's get off of that and go to an hourly, perhaps. You can see Solana's been struggling on this center line of this channel here to break above it and hold it as support, and we are currently still struggling to do that. And have just punched through a little bit there. So yeah, we need to get up above 62 to do that. So I'm looking at, I'll tell you what I'm thinking for the overall market in Bitcoin in general heading into Thanksgiving. As we start our bull market, what I see coming into for the next 6 months is that the parabolic bull run starts in late June, July, and continues on through November before we have a pullback. Now, up until that point, I believe we're going to have a nice bull rally continuing now. It's already started, and it will continue through January. Maybe till after the ETFs get approved, January 10th or so. And then we'll have a pullback into the halving event in April, down to 48. Well, we're looking at Solana now, but I'm talking about Bitcoin and in the entire market. So Bitcoin, I believe, will get up to between 58 and 62,000 here through January, then pull back to 48,000 for the halving event. And then start creeping back upwards and start the parabolic bull run at about 57,000 or so. And so the rest of the crypto market will follow that. Now, that being said, at Thanksgiving, what does the market want to tell? What does the market want to show your family and friends at the Thanksgiving table? They want to show a market that is pumping. The market wants family and friends to FOMO in, to drive us to 58 to 62,000. So we're going to have a nice Thanksgiving rally is what I'm thinking this week. Because if we have a dump, that's not going to drive the market. That's not what anyone's going to want to see. So heading into Thanksgiving, I'm thinking that Solana does break above here up towards this X and follow like this green slope. And that's up about $84, $82, $80, $84, somewhere up there. Let me zoom out a little bit, go on a 4-hour time frame. Now, there's a possibility we get rejected here. And if so, maybe trade. The range we'll trade in is either below the center line of this channel or above the center line of this channel. So could come back down here to 50 something, 54. Even down, yeah, 50. Or at 62. Could continue to trade between 50 and 60, something like that. Or break out here and trade between 62 and 84. So most likely we're going to do one of those two things. Now let's go to Bitcoin. By the way, we just started a brand new day here. Now, first of all, let's see how CME Futures is trading at $150 premium to Bitcoin. That's not a whole heck of a lot. So, oh my Lord, look at all these lines. We'll leave it on the 4-hour and zoom in here. And what we've been doing, look at those nice big green 4-hour candles. It's pretty clear what we're doing. We're consolidating in this triangular formation. It's not your typical triangle. It's the bottom is this purple, green, and red lines going this way, and the top is this white and purple line at the top. We're about to break through right here, and we've passed that dotted line, which is really, really good. Yeah, we've broken above that dotted line, which is good, and the reason for that is because well, on a smaller time frame, you could see that it acted as resistance back here. I'm pretty sure. So, yeah, so you can see how these lines have acted as support and resistance here. Once we break above, once we break above this purple line, this is our, this one has been a big challenge, this white line. It's the top of the zombie channel. And it's, what's really funny is it's a parallel channel that the Wolves of Crypto guy just discovered. And that you're only going to see on his channel, apparently. But it's a channel we've been looking at for a long... Actually, to be honest, I forgot about it because it was a channel that I had started way, way, way back, like a year and a half ago. Way, way back. Yeah, let's go to a daily time frame. Way, way back here in this time frame. What's in July of 22 to October of 22. and had forgotten all about it because I've gone to different charts and created new charts. And really, I moved on to the green parallel channel you can see here and the blue parallel channel. I've talked about these many times. So we're transitioning into the blue channel, the blue parallel channel, which will take us up to here. This is you know what? I think it's going to happen. I need to pull this back over. This X should be over. How did that get over there? That's kind of weird. It should be like over here, maybe. Hey, what happened to it? I don't know why it didn't move just now. Anyway, I'll have to change that. I don't know why it's there. Let's just move this over. I don't know why that's over there like that. That's kind of weird. Let's see if we can move our X. Let's put them over there. At least that looks better. It's not perfect. But yeah, continuing upwards here. You know, I'm going to go back and adjust that. You'll see it in another video. Actually, we could move it over to the left a little bit more. And so I believe that we will continue on in the blue channel here. Let's get back to business here where we're at. Anyway, breaking out of this white channel is a big deal. And we've attempted it once here, twice here, and yet to be a third time here. I believe this time around, third time's a charm. We will break above it here in the coming days before Thanksgiving and head on up to the center line of our blue channel, which is at $42,000. The channel consolidation that we're trading in ends next weekend, so we're going to have to make a decision one way or another, and I'm guessing it's going to be upwards. All right, so we'll get more to you soon, and like, subscribe, see you next time.